Hi, welcome back to our English Plus lesson. It's Miss Faith, and we will carry on our lesson series today. We learned that a sentence is made up of words that expresses or shows complete thought or idea. Therefore, it should have a subject and a predicate. We also learned that a predicate is basically made up of two parts: the verb and the object. So in our previous lesson, we focused on the two types of verbs, the action and the being. Today, we'll focus on the object of the sentence. As you can read here, the object is added in a sentence to complete or add meaning to the sentence. Sometimes we call it as complement, but we'll try to simplify it as much as we can, and we'll discuss more about this next time or next lesson. For today, we'll focus on object of the sentence as something that gives extra information on our sentence. By answering the WH questions, extra details can be added on our sentence. We can add information of who, when we're talking about person, at the time, when, where, what, why, and how. Now let's have a quick practice. Remember, the subject is the noun. It is who or what the sentence is about, and the doer of the action. The predicate is split into two parts, verb and object. So in here we have an action verb or being verb, and you can use one in your sentence or both. And predicate could also have object. It's an extra information about our sentence. So help me underline the object in the following sentence. Are you ready? To make it easier, I would like to underline first the subject, then the verb, and I can find the object straight away. Let's have a go. Anna picked some flowers in the garden. In this sentence, we are talking about Anna. Anna is the doer of the action, picked. And some flowers in the garden is an extra bit of information, so we can call this as an object. Subject, Anna, picked is our verb, and our object is some flowers in the garden. It's telling us what Anna picked and where she picked it. Sorry about my handwriting. Okay, number 2. Her friend was not happy. In here, we're talking about her friend, so the subject in the sentence is her friend. Remember, in the past lesson, we learned about the linking or being verb. Here, was is our being verb, and our object is not happy. It's telling us what her friend feels. Okay? So the object in sentence number 2 is not happy. Now, before moving on to our next sentence style, let's have a checkpoint first. So remember, the subject, right, is who or what the sentence is about, the doer of the action. The verb, right, it could be action or doing. And the object is an added information to complete or add meaning to our sentence. It can answer the WH questions: who, what, where, when, why, and how. Okay, so remember, the verb can be linking or being. So it's connecting our subject to the object. Example is are or was and were. To write a simple sentence, just remember these 3 easy steps. First, think of a subject, then think of a verb, action or being, and finally, an object. An extra information could be what, why, where, when, how. So a simple sentence structure is made up of S, V, and O. Now, I want you to have a go. Can you write a sentence about the picture? Think of their subject, think of the verb, and the object. Now, I'll have a go too. Subject here can be the man. What is he doing? Yeah, he is reading. So I can write is reading or reads. I'll just use the simple present tense. Reads. What is he reading? The object is newspaper. Oops. Now, this is a simple sentence. I'm done with my sentence. It has S, V, and O, so I just need a full stop in the end to complete my sentence. How about you? What did you write? So yeah, congratulations for completing the lesson of our first sentence style, which is a simple sentence. And the structure of the simple sentence is subject, verb, and object. See you again next lesson and learn how to write an extended sentence. Bye!